2026 Toyota 4Runner. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.